chasing it. Awesome. Thank you. And action.
Yeah. What's your poison? What do you drink? No, I figured I asked.
Vodka.
Vodka. When do you get the chance to drink that?
Whenever.
A lot?
Tons.
So that's what you're doing here? Well, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Oh, just my coach and my father. Don't want me to lose my ride. You see, the coach thinks I'm a winner. And so does Dad.